Daga jingkmo ban pen klan shushu ila party na benta election araja pra Meghalaya ka BJP Reboy district mendagsi kala stang yala ka jong ka ophis thamai a Nongpoh ka banong kum ka shlem treikam jong ka party ban sandur ban penjanai ya ka rukam treikam ha ka district ya ka ni ka ophis la play ba do state president ka BJP u Rickman G Moment Haka jingdalang State General Secretary upa Wankit Bok Poshna, ka State Secretary ka BJP ka Daniela Nonglan, u District President ka BJP Reboy upa Sen Thaba, ki Mandal President na ki constituency bapher lembat bon ngod ki nongtere ka party. Laong baka ni ka office Kamday tang nakabenta ka district BJP Reboy Henry kan Shakri ru kom ka office padba jong baro ki BJP Mandal ki badan ha ka district khnang ban pinsung ya ka jingitray lang bat ka jingya jongki kam padba habakrana ka ni kasngi u state president Rickman G Moment but u state general secretary upa Wankit Bong Poshna Kila penpawi ka jingkemen ka bakraw halor ka jingstang ya ka ni ka office da ka ba ong baka ni kanlong ka nongrim ban penklan ya ka party.
और अभी और वेलकम किया है जिरांग मंडल
kata ngai iki board ki members kan nang pet kata ngang sno sarong kakak dia singi ngatrai kadi singi bagi don bok mo ngi ala jong ka office pi ong kum no ne deh so tenat dai barabon ni habi sho ka ka office mentang yo ong kani kadi ka office jongi nila sarong em ben ong la ka jong office mentang man ka pon ni don program nila wan ha ka office la jong nila ben long meeting baro ko ki mandal president ru pila ben wan hang ni office ben long ka meeting la jong kata kadi ko ka bakong san e niyo kanang bangin yo ban trai pang yakis nam ki ban ya chakman nakabenta ki election man
cha ka yin do ba ka ai te kani ka chimpli kani ka office muta singi do state president jingi Rickman G Moment ka pau shai ba nang ni shman ngin sedang ban thung nyau tau sembai ba ngin habban ngin ai ka sport ngin ai ko ngin ai ki kham bangin yo ban sei kita ki nong ikun sa kata election ka bangat hay sang apply pride mo kedomentan ti nga kerman ba na pro kini kisan mandal nga thay ni sayo kita ki nongele nongya ireng ha kateng do party at symbol jong party but kani ko office si kandi kata jing sedang but nga ketpok ketwian district president bagi team jong district but ya bro isan mandal president number ba kani ka office kadi jong district but pro ki san ki mandal ru ki dan dejo ko hop hot si kamera i kumala ko dong ne si kamera ka kanyo ka Nongpoh re ngathai bagani hi ri office jong pro ki san ki mandal te bidan dejo ko hop te ngi kerman ba nangish mat ne trestom kumang isi ong kaleng ba kaleng khai gaya re hoy ni sotho ki dong tre ki dang tuna ban ngai i ba mantasi ka I mean sim ba Reboy district kalanang kalanang Q ban ngilanang yo kan ni kita ginong kitkam jong party bangi kerman ban
I think everyone has given their speeches, but I want to keep this opportunity to discuss with you all. I think I will just lecture and I'll go. That doesn't make much valuable. Instead of that, I want to discuss with all the mandals whether they are from Nongpoh, Jirang, whichever the mandal. Let's start discussing about 2028 more. Because if I keep on lecturing, that lecture will go on in this room only. So please give me suggestion how to bring up this Reboy district and we get our own MLA. So from today, let us start thinking. Now you start giving me that suggestion. How to bring up a good candidate, how to bring up a good party leaders. We have a very good leaders with us, a very talented leaders with us. But why our party is not growing? That also we have. I need a suggestion from you. We are nothing behind any other party. We are nothing behind, we are not behind NPP. Everyone is scared for NPP. Why should we scared of NPP? It is only we doesn't work. Everyone think that NPP paisa wala hai, they will buy us. But if we can explain to our people the work which BJP has done to the poor of the poorest, our Prime Minister who has given us such a good scheme to us, that also we can do. We can start with that also. Without money, we can at least explain to the people. And let us groom a good people, groom a good leader. Whatever seat we have, the difficulties organizing this Riboy district. Our district president has done a good job with his team. I congratulate him. Of course, we have other different groups also, what you call a factional group. A factional group should not be there and I will not accept any factional group. Because I myself always believe in one party. We have to be everyone together.